Hello everybody, my name is Fuzza, and today you're gonna get fuzzified with your Minecraft server. Yes, this is a Windows XP, and this is a great tutorial, probably the best for Windows XP. Anyway, let's get started. So first, I will put some of these download links in the description, but you want to go to Bukkit.jar. And once it loads, you go to get craftbukkit. Now you'll see all this right here, so I kind of just failed. I think I got the links wrong. Once I find this link, I will be back with you. See you in a second. Okay, everybody, sorry about that. I am back. Oh, sorry. Got some Doritos, and I'm thirsty. Anyway, so the link I have refound is dl.bukkit.org. You'll click this. Now, I'm not going to click it because I already have it. And once you get that, you'll go through a setup. And, you complete the setup as you would. Now, create a folder on your desktop, like I have here. And drag in this Java file that you got from the setup. Now, once you... Ooh, that one's wet. Sorry, that was my Dorito. But anyway, you double click on it and give it a second. Now, it'll take a little bit because I'm recording, but tons of files, like so, will pop up. And waiting for 2 more worlds, or, files. Okay, forget it. Anyway. Whoops. My bad. But anyway. Okay. Waiting for this to close. Alright, now we got the world in the end. Or whatever that's called. Now. What you want to do is... you'll want to go to your start menu, find Notepad, don't do this, it'll just mess everything up. So what you want to do is start Notepad separately itself. And I will give you the starter codes. And I will put this code in the description. I'm gonna paste it in here, like so. And you'll go up to save. Click save, not save as. Wait for it to load. Alright, now you want to name it start. Hold on, wait for it to load. Start.bat. Now make sure this is not text document, and it says all files. Now, since I already have these files, well, I already have this right here. You will click save. Well, you make sure, so you put it in the destination for your Bukkit server folder, which is this, where everything is, and then you would save it there. And then that is pretty much how you run your server and stuff. So I'm just gonna exit and don't save. Drag it in. Come on. Now these won't be Adobe for you. I kind of just messed it up, but it still works. So anyway, now you're gonna start up your server. Oh, sorry. This happens a lot. And if this happens, like if it says it's already running on another port, you see this right here, delete it. It is not important anymore. And if it gives you an error, then I will show you what to do. Okay, it gave me an error. So you want to, on your keyboard, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Now, see this java w.exe? Just hit end process and then hit yes. That is pretty much what's causing you to not delete this. Now delete it. Now click start. And your server, it'll generate all the worlds. And I guess it'll generate the nether and your regular world. So while that goes on, I am going to say placed stronghold in invalid biome. Oh, that sucks. Sorry about that. Anyway, I want to say, if you are watching this video, ask me if it could be better, and just write that in the comments or send me a message, but anything like that. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I like subscribes. They help you and me out. I will give you more tutorials. Okay, and I'll tell you at the end, but alright, so it says done, type help for help. Now you just want to say stop. It'll say stopping the server. And you currently have no plugins, and press any key to continue. Now, I will have some plugins in the description. There are some pretty much basic plugins like the set home, TPA, and those kinds of plugins. I will actually show you my plugins. I will show you the plugins. See if they're in here. They are not in here. Okay. They're in my recycle bin. Okay, so let's see. Wow, I have deleted too many of these. Plugins, alright. I'm just gonna drag this on the desktop. Yes. 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 You just keep hitting yes. If you've already made a server but it didn't work. You got the plugins and stuff. Keep hitting yes. Okay. Now it's on our desktop. These are the plugins that I have. That I'm actually using. I have the broadcast, color op. Actually, I don't want this. I don't want color off. It just lags it. Yeah, here's a little tip for you guys. And the more plugins, the more lag. I figured that out the hard way. Anyway, so you don't want to... I'm not going to put these in the download because they generate themselves. Anyway, so these all will go in the description though. And I'm going to take all the plugins and I'm going to put them in my plugins folder that is in your server. Put them in. And this pretty much gives you set home, TPA, and factions. Factions are something that's kind of hard to get at the beginning of your server. So I got that there. Now what you want to do is delete this log again because you don't need it. And then hit the start. Let it generate again. It will generate again. That's a little hint. And it'll say all this because I have so many plugins. See how it says simple jail, world edit, broadcast, all these things. And then once again you just say stop. Stops your server, turns off all the plugins before it stops. Continue. And that is your server, pretty much. Now let us see if it works. I'm going to start it up. Wait for it to load. Everything to load. And done. Type help for help, which means it's, done loading itself. Alright, once I get to my server, I will show you, okay? I'll get to the server menu and show you. Hey everybody! Alright, I'm on my server right now. If you guys want proof, I will Hello everybody, I am back. And sorry about that cutoff right there. I don't have premium of Bandicam, as you probably can tell. But, yeah, I am on my server right now at the moment. And, I already have proof, but it got cut off and I didn't even know. But, okay, so it's right here. Here is my proof. And this is, my name, Xms1024M typed in a bunch of random letters, and this is your console. You can do anything. Say, hello, MC. Now, where is it? Oh, there it is. Right there. You can ban people. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, but yeah, you can ban people. And if you want all the other commands and plugins, whoops, to help from the view of the console type question. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, this is how many plugins you get with just this is how many commands you get with just a few plugins. Anyway, that is all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later after these announcements. Anyway, these announcements are... oh, sorry. I lost focus there. Anyway, the announcements are, please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have any recommendations, please send me a message. And for the final announcement, I'm actually looking for some builders to help me with my spawn. Yeah, I will find a new seed too, but I'm looking for some builders. If anyone likes to help, just send me a message or put it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and Let's Plays. I will see you guys later. You fuzz out, you've been fuzzified.